If you have not used this serum and you have dark spots, try and get this serum. It is going to help you. These are some of the effective face serums I have used recently. I'm going to be talking to you about them and also telling you how they work, just in case you want to buy them. So you are going to know which one to buy, or at least the combination to buy, depending on the facial issues you are having. But basically, this video is for people that are targeting dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone. You need face serums that are going to help to maintain your facial glow, maintain your spotless face. You want spotless face. These face serums are actually going to do it for you. So yes, welcome to today's video, and I hope you are going to enjoy it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are seeing me for the first time, I am beautiful Jenny, a passionate skincare consultant who is here to make sure that you get a very, very good skin. Who is here to make sure that you get a very, very good skin. I have several videos on here to help you free of charge. But if you want to talk to me personally, you have some money to pay, you can hit me up on WhatsApp for a personal skin consultation. So I help you personally to select products to buy, build a routine for you, and just make sure that you get the result that you want to get. Okay, now the very first one I want to talk about is this particular product. This is the Mary and May Niacinamide and Chaenomeles Sinensis Fruit Extract Face Serum. Now, this is a very, very nice face serum. I've used it for like 3 weeks now, going to a month. And I'm going to tell you that this particular face serum is very, very nice. It is so good. Now, how does it work? Let's talk about the ingredients first. So, the major ingredients is niacinamide at 2%, and then this fruit extract, which is Chaenomeles Sinensis Fruit Extract. It is a fruit extract that is rich in vitamin C. It is very brightening to the skin, soothing to the skin. So this is a face serum I will recommend for someone who reacts to vitamin C, actual vitamin C, either L-ascorbic or 3-O-ethyl-ascorbic, or the other forms of vitamin, anything just vitamin C reacts on your skin. You can use this particular vitamin because it's very gentle on the skin. It is vegan, paraben, like it just has about, I think, 6 ingredients list. It doesn't have any rubbish ingredients. No, it is very, very good. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's a vegan product. Do you understand? So it is very, very nice. It's almost out. This is what I have been using specifically on my face. Not like, it is so good. So personally, from my own personal experience, I would say this is brightening. This helps with dark spots. Do you understand? It helps with dark spots. Although I don't really use it morning and night. Sometimes I use it once a day. Sometimes I use it 2 times in a day. But I believe you get faster dark spots brightening if you use it consistently morning and night. But I just use it basically once in a day. Do you understand? So this is good to brighten out the skin. This is good to maintain your skin complexion, to keep breakouts away, because niacinamide helps to keep breakouts away. This helps to keep breakouts away and to just give you that smooth, radiant skin. So this is what I have to say about this product. So if you know you have a reactive skin, you have acne prone skin, this product is going to be good for you. Now, the second on my list is the Conscious Chemist Pigmentation and Dark Spot Corrector Serum. Now, this one is specifically for dark spots. This one is not really specifically for dark spots. This is a general face product for brightening, for even skin tone, for maintaining your facial complexion, and this is something you can use daily, morning and night. But this is not your typical daily serum. This is not your typical morning and night serum or even everyday serum. No, this has 5% niacinamide, 2% tranexamic acid, and 2% alpha arbutin. So this is a concentrated product. It is specifically made for pigmentation and also for dark spots. So if you know you have dark spots from acne, dark spots from pimple, you have sunspots, you have melasma you are treating, you need something that you can incorporate into your routine. Maybe you are using other actives, but you need something to boost the effectiveness and the clearing of your dark patch and all of those things, this is a very good product to go for. It is very, very nice. Now, for usage, you are going to start using this 2 to 3 times in a week. It comes in an LS pump bottle, okay, and it's quite sizable. Trust me, this is going to last you a while, because this is not what you use every single day. It's going to last you for a while. Does it work? It works. So this is effective, but it is not miracle potion. I like to be very transparent and very, very, truthful in my videos, because nobody's paying me to lie. So why would I come here and lie to you? This product, they didn't sponsor me. So why would I lie? Even if I'm sponsored, I would not lie. Instead of me to lie to you, I'd rather not take that money. Your skin is more precious to me than taking up a brand deal and coming out here to lie to you about it. So anytime I actually start taking brand deals, you should be sure that that's a good product. Okay? Now, this works, but with consistent use and long usage. And it also depends on your skin, and it also depends on how long you have had that pigmentation. Remember, how long you have had a pigmentation also determines on how long it is going to take to clear. Also, your lifestyle has a lot to do with your pigmentation healing. Your age has a lot to do with your pigmentation healing. So sometimes it's not the product you are using. So this is a very effective product that I'm going to recommend, and if you use it consistently, it is going to help with your skin pigmentation and basically keep pigmentation away from your skin. This is something you are going to have and be using weekly in your routine to maintain your skin. Even as your pigmentation clears, you still have it to prevent the pigmentation from coming, or other ones from coming other parts of your face and your neck. So this is a very good product. Now, the very last one, which is my one of if I say favorite, it will look like these other ones are not good. No, but it's just a good product basically. That is a Revox Help Anti-Dark Spot Serum. If you have not used this serum and you have dark spots, try and get this serum. It is going to help you. Let me read out the ingredient list for you. Now, it has water. The very second ingredient it has is alpha-arbutin. The very third ingredient it has is vitamin B3, which is niacinamide. The very fourth or fifth ingredient is vitamin C. Now, it has a very stable form of vitamin C, which is sodium ascorbyl phosphate. Okay, it is very stable. It is not like L-ascorbic that oxidizes and all of those things. It has ferulic acid. I've been saying this thing constantly in my videos recently. If you buy a vitamin C product that has ferulic acid, you want to see it, pick it. That product is going to work for you. It has azelaic acid. It has lactic acid. It has glycolic acid. It has malic acid. It has salicylic acid. Come on now, come on. If this does not work for you, what else is going to work for your face? This is a very good product when it comes to dark spots, when it comes to pigmentation, when it comes to clearing out your face, when it comes to keeping up pimples and acne from your face. This product works. Ask anybody that has used Revox Help Anti-Dark Spot Serum. If it's dark spots, leave it for this product. It works. Do you understand? It is super duper effective. So this is a product that if you buy it, honestly, you don't need to buy several other products, because it basically has everything that will help you for dark spots. Tell me that product that has glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid, malic acid, vitamins. It has everything. So this is what it looks like. It actually looks so pretty, so pretty. So this is what it looks like. So these are the 3 products that I have used recently, and I'm going to assure you that they get the job done. But what did I say? Use them consistently and give them time to do their work. There is no way you use any of these products and they are not going to deliver results to you. These are very good, potent, and effective serums that will give you that smooth, spotless face. So if you have any questions about these products or concerns, if you have used them before, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in any of these 2 videos or on WhatsApp for those of you that will come for one-on-one skin consultation. Bye.